Hello and welcome back to the Microsoft Project Fundamentals. In this course we will continue with Module 2 and we will be looking at a number of topics like how you can create and save new project, especially a blank one, which you probably would have seen how we did part of it in the previous video. But this time you will see specifically how we can save at least a project. Also, we will look at creating a new project from some templates, existing ones, if you know which ones are there and how to use them. But it's just to show you a bit of steps in how you can do that. And also we will look at adding and editing tags to your project. This is where we start building our project plan. So we will start looking at the example of Mr. John, who is trying to build a storage, and use that as a practice, which will also continue in the course of this course. And we'll also do things like tax duration, start and finish date, look at tax modes, how to go from manual scheduled to auto scheduled, and also looking at tax dependencies, or what we call linking tax, or predecessors and successors. So let's start in this video with looking at creating and saving new projects, both a blank one and from templates. So we will start our project application. This is it here, and we let it come up. So when you try to start Microsoft project, it also gives you the opportunity to create a new project. Now you can go to new, but already you see that you can see a blank project here. There are also templates that you see here, and there are also more templates you can see here. If we click new, let's see what happens. More or less the same view. So if I want to start a new blank project plan where I can fill in things myself without using any existing template, I simply will pick this one. So I will click on blank project. So basically I've succeeded in creating a blank project without anything in it. What I can do, let me maximize this. So what I can do later on is create projects from existing one, but first let's save this project. Okay, and to save a project you can use Ctrl plus S, or that is on the keyboard you press Ctrl key and you can press the letter S while holding the Ctrl key. You can also use this save button here, and there you see Ctrl plus S. So let's go to File and let's say Save. When you say Save, you need to pick the location. So I will go to Browse for a location. A window opens and I will look for the location that I want to keep that. So this is mainly for practice. I'll put it in the folder I want. And here I can say project 1. This is John storage, for example. So, and I can say save. And then I can start working with my project. So that's one way to look at it. Okay, another way would be to use the button Control N. So if I'm already, let's say I open up my project in this way and I want to start a new project, what I can also do is press Control N. I will try that and see what happens. So I'm holding down the Control key and I will press N. And you see I have project 2 here. So this also creates a new project, and I can save it the same way that I just saved. But I will not save this one for now. So I will close this particular project by using this button down here, not the one at the top. And let's see what happens. So it closes project 2, but still leaves project 1. If you use the top close button, then it will close Microsoft project and every project open. So if you want to create a project from an existing template, you can also do that by going to File, and you can say New, and then you can look at from existing template. Now you can search for many templates, and there are so many of them that you can look for. For creating a budget, commercial construction, end value, software development, and all that. So if, let's say, I want to do one for construction, can click this one, and then I click can say create, and it gives it project 3, project professional. And then if you're familiar with how to tweak all this, you can do that. So that's also the idea of using templates, when you're familiar with how it works. So I will close this and I will not save it. Of course, in trying to close it, it will say, do you want to save project 3? I'll say no. Otherwise, I say yes, and I will put it in the location that I want with the name I want. So no. And this brings me back to project 1. So basically, these are the steps you take for creating and saving new projects. And also, if you want to open an existing project, you simply go to File and Open. And you can also maybe see the name of the project, like John here. I can do that. So maybe what we can do is, let's close John. So everything is closed. So there's nothing in the project, but I can go to File, Open. I can also see John here, storage, which I want. But I can also go straight to the location by using this, but that's a longer path. So since I see it here, I will just open it by clicking on it, and then it brings back this. So we will keep this open, and we will start using it in our next set of videos to start building some kind of plan for the storage of Mr. John. Thank you, and talk to you in the next video.